welcome back to the video. There's a new Animal Company update, and we're gonna go check it out in this video right this second. So let's go see. I gotta because my hips on. Oh, new item. What's this? Portable save zone. Medium katana, big katana. Oh, what do I get? What's the save zone do? Provides 5 minutes of a safe. Something. Oh, morning. The battery's afraid of monsters. I don't know, what do I get? The katana? This. I'm gonna go this. Wherever I go, it just gives me a safe zone, I guess. This is actually so cool. What is this? Oh. Let's see, there's two. What's this? I already have the hat. What's this? Box of chocolates. What's this one? Find 5 clovers. Golden? Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a video on that whenever I figure it out. Okay. I guess it's this thing. What is this? Oh, it's a safe zone. Oh, that's what it is. Look. I think if I'm out here, no one can kill me. Can you rip that? No, it can't. I'm gonna follow this. Hold on. Here there are leash notes up here. That's why I follow this. That just scared me so bad. Oh, I think it's pointing over here. Oh wow, it's really going crazy. Like going in there. Okay, let's go check out the new map. I suppose the new map. I'm gonna goop this somewhere. I'm gonna bring my little fish backpack. So I guess I'll put. I really hope it's scoopable. Oh, it is. Let's go. Okay, now let's grab my hook shot. And that's it. Just grab the hook shot. Where'd it go? Supposedly there's a new. What is that? What the heck is that? I have no clue. Why is that green? Ew. Oh, what's this? Neon rod? You've already unlocked this one. I'm definitely gonna be able to get that one. Hold on, let's go back over here. Let's do this. That looks different. Okay, let me... Oh, there's a lot of new stuff in this update. You know, this is the final update. Let me grab a rod real quick. See, I think I have a rod, don't I? No, I don't. Why is that in there? Get out of there. Take that. Okay, try to find. I know I have it. There you are. Okay, there we go. Now let's go. I'm gonna need to bring a gun, just in case there's something sussy. I know. I want to go check out Megalodon real quick. Actually, no. I don't think there's anything new in Megalodon. I think it's just whatever this is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This circles trip. Just move wherever you go. Oh my god. Yo, this is so weird. And then it's not going up. I gotta grab. What is this? Spectral swordfish. What is this place? I don't know. I should have brought a flashlight. That's what I forgot. Okay, well. Why can't I grab one in the middle? I think it's allowed. No, gang-a-lang, I'm not using hacks. Okay, let's go check over here. The captain is dead. Yo, what is that? Yo, what was that? What was that? Yo, chat, do I fish? I don't know. on that. Just toss it out there. Okay, these blue fish here. What is that, Ron? What's that beeping? What was that? Bye, Ron. Oh, I think I might go back. It didn't work. To go back is so scary now. So stop taking me back. Why can you take me back? That's so crap. I don't want that anymore. What's that noise? Let me go back, please. Oh, let's go. What was that noise? My thing like beeped and terrified me. Why is they so beeping? I don't know, I want to find it. Oh, there it is. Yo. I found it. I don't know, should I put on see what it's called? 4-leaf clover. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, we'll put this right here. I'm gonna go dump these in here. I got these from some person. I just ordered a code and they had just give me a bunch of these, so. Why is it green though? Why the heck is it so green? Okay. I think all that else was new was just map rotations, and I think that's it. I don't know if there's anything I'm missing. Let me know in the comments. But if there's not, then I'm gonna end the video. You know, it actually would be really nice if they would open up stage 7 or stage 6 right here. I really want this open because I'm about to do a cool glitch. Take your frog cam, put it in your chest, just fly. Well, I think that's everything. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody for giving me the gold creator hat, and I'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.